Well, this morning we bring you an exclusive story. A fake attorney at law has allegedly taken thousands of dollars from people across the state of Texas for the past 6 years. Now, we found out this woman, she's out of Killeen, and she has impersonated a lawyer out of Houston and has even gone as far as to change her name to get the job done. Well, Texas Today reporter Meredith Haas joins me now. She's been piecing this all together. Now, Meredith, what do we know this morning?
Jasmine, we're talking about two Amber Morrisons, one that is a real lawyer from Houston and the other that is an accused con artist right out of Killeen. She's been taking advantage of people's lives while taking their money.
The police, we've given them everything. We have an address. A victim has been to her house. We have victims that are calling in with reports of what's happening. Like, they're going to arrest her.
Earlier this year, Amber Morrison was arrested by the Killeen Police Department. No, not the one I'm talking to. See, this Amber Morrison is a lawyer based out of Houston, Texas. And this Amber Morrison is a fraud who over the past 6 years has allegedly taken on clients posing as a lawyer. None other than Amber Morrison.
Apparently, it's my understanding that she legally changed her name to Amber Morrison.
According to the real Amber Morrison, this all began in 2017. When a potential victim reached out, Amber would file legal complaints. Things would calm down. 3 years would pass until Amber heard from 6 more victims within the year of 2021.
And I have to kind of talk them down and be like, look, I'm not the person you're going to be angry with because I'm not representing you. You and I have never spoken before. You've been scammed.
The fake Amber Morrison had finally used Amber's bar number to file motion in a case. The victims stretch across multiple counties in the state of Texas, including one in McLennan County. And Amber says each one is always a family law case. So fast forward to present day, and the fake Amber is arrested and let out on bond. Then in May, the real Amber hears from more victims out of Galveston County.
When I got in touch, when Amber got in touch, the fake Amber got in touch with me, I thought, thank you, God, somebody was actually going to help me. But instead, she joined in and scammed me for money.
Amber says it's important to know moving forward how to avoid a situation like this. And it can be as easy as going to the Texas State Bar website, searching the name of your lawyer, and looking to see if they're active. But moving forward,
It's taken so long for this to come to a head. I'm actually terrified when this interview, or like not this interview, but when this information goes live, how many victims you might get.
okay, so 2 things to note. The fake Amber Morrison is going to be in court here in Bell County on July 20th. I will be there. We will see if her bond will be revoked, or we'll see what the court decides on July 20th. Secondly, there could be more victims out there, so I am providing my number. It should have gone up, but my number is 254-721-9336. You can contact me directly if you feel you have been a victim of the fake Amber Morrison, because the real Amber Morrison says with a case like this, there are definitely more victims out there, and they could be right here in Bell County.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm so glad you did the story, because now a lot more people may find out that they were victims, because people probably didn't know until they've seen this story
And
that they are.
And that's what happened. I mean, and there's just so much more to this case that I could have shared, but that would have taken 10, 15 minutes.
Yeah.
You know, there were so many victims involved, so much money taken, and so many families' lives
And
disrupted.
what's also interesting about this is that she's a lawyer.
She's
used
a lawyer.
to helping people deal
Exactly.
with straightening out their lives, but here she is, a victim herself.
And that's what she noted. She said, if it can happen to her, it can happen to anyone. Here at 6 News, we deal with a lot of fraud cases, so we know that it can happen to elderly women, to lawyers, and to people on the internet. So just be careful out there. Reach out to me, reach out to 6 News. We have a number on our website. We also have our email, everything. Just reach out to us if you feel you have been a victim of Amber Morrison. And again, she'll be in court on July 20th, and I will be there.